Today, I'd like to share with you insights gleaned from Koichi Honda's book, Challenge Again: How to Make Boring Days Interesting Again. How would you describe your life? Maybe you're not completely dissatisfied, but sometimes you might find it lacks excitement and doesn't quite meet your expectations. Perhaps you're even feeling a bit lost about your life's direction, and you're not alone in this. We often hear that a contented life is a beautiful one, and indeed, it would be wonderful to truly live such a life. However, I'd argue that this is harder than becoming a billionaire. Not many can honestly declare they're content. Some might advocate for contentment, but later realize that hope in everyday life has waned, leading to a sense of monotony and dullness. As humans, we naturally harbor desires we can't fully suppress. Whether we ignore, avoid, or pretend they don't exist, these desires continue to smolder within. This often results in a life that becomes boring without us even realizing it, leaving us unhappy with the drudgery of daily existence. There are few who genuinely know how to be content and live joyously. For those who do, they can simply relish their current lives. This book, however, speaks to those who struggle with contentment and wish to reinvigorate their lives with new challenges. Our discussion today will touch on two parts. First, understanding that a blend of satisfaction and pursuit of desires leads to the best life, and secondly, finding a way to free ourselves from financial worries. Today's standards, bolstered by the FIRE movement advocating for early retirement and being content, suggest that having enough assets to live off can lead to a spiritually rich and happy life. Indeed, living with sufficient income to sustain oneself seems carefree, but many who've tried this approach have ended up feeling restless and empty, questioning the purpose of such a life. The difficulty in truly understanding contentment has only grown with the ubiquity of social media. The simple life pales in comparison to the lavish lifestyles flaunted online, reminding us of what we lack. It's challenging to feel content when constantly barraged with images of successful, happy people from around the globe. The reality is, human beings crave fulfillment and satisfaction of desires. And it's a longing that persists regardless of our attempts at contentment or living the FIRE life. Deep down, we may feel unfulfilled and realize we should tackle new challenges instead of settling. Life's comfort can become a trap, luring us into complacency and hindering our growth and the pursuit of happiness. While contentment and appreciating what we have are valuable, they must be genuinely felt, rather than forced, to be meaningful. If you're sincerely happy with your current situation, that's wonderful. However, many find it challenging to be content. The FIRE concept is commendable, aiming at financial independence to liberate oneself from tedious work. Yet, it's crucial to remember that neither contentment nor FIRE should curtail your drive to overcome new challenges. No one aspires to a life dulled by dissatisfaction or worry. Challenges, regardless of age or perceived lateness, are the key to a vibrant, satisfying life. It's not the success or wealth brought about by challenges that matter most, but the fulfillment and joy experienced during the journey of tackling them. Studies have shown that success and money alone don't create lasting happiness. Rather, it's the continuous striving, the process of challenging ourselves, that leads to enduring joy. Much like the satisfaction derived from gaming is short-lived, the true elation comes from leveling up and overcoming tough adversaries. Now, let's tackle the idea of money anxiety. It's a significant hurdle for many, leading to life disruptions or family discord. However, by creating a safety net and acknowledging that money is but a tool to achieve happiness, we can alleviate these fears. Setting modest goals for challenges, discussing financial plans with loved ones, and understanding their concerns can help us take on challenges without unnecessary stress. Challenges need not be extravagant. Even small advancements can provide immense satisfaction. Remember, don't let fear of financial instability deter you from challenges. Preparing, budgeting, and maintaining transparent communication about financial needs can enhance confidence and diminish anxieties about money. Ultimately, overcoming fears and embracing challenges with the support of those around us will lead to a life enriched with purpose and joy, breaking the monotony of existence and instilling each day with fresh vitality and excitement.